determines the point coordinate of the image. Presented an image like this. Determine the coordinate of point A, B, C, D, and E. Let's try to answer. From point A, how to find out the coordinate? We drop the line for point A to the x-axis and y-axis. So point A, coordinates are 4 and 2. Write the point on the x-axis first, then the y-axis. If point B is dropped onto the x-axis itself, it means that the value of x is 5. Because point B is attached to the x-axis, then we can drag it sideways to the y-axis. It turns out that the meeting point is at point 0. So the coordinates of point B are 5 and 0. Continue with point C. If we drop it down, it turns out that we have arrived at point 0. So x is 0 and y is itself, namely 3. Then the coordinates of point C are 0 and 3. Point D, we draw a line toward the x-axis and get the number 0. Then on the y-axis, the result is minus 5. So the coordinates of point D are 0 and minus 5. The last, for point E, we get minus 2 and 0 coordinates. Next to the axis point B and the ordinate of point E. What we need to know is at point A, x, y, point X that we call axis. Then point Y, we call the ordinate. Please note, ordinate and coordinate are different. So axis is another name of the x-axis and ordinate is another name of the y-axis. Please remember it. In this question, the axis of point B is, so earlier we already knew point B the coordinates are 5 and 0, right? Where x equals 5 and y equals 0. So the axis from point B is 5 because 5 is point for x. Then the ordinate of point E. Here we see the coordinates. Ordinate is another name of y, right? Then the ordinate value of point E is 0.